contested versus uncontested divorce here in Arkansas. My name is Leon Jones Jr., and I'm the managing attorney here at Big Rock Legacy Law Group. And I know the pain of divorce. I went through this process over 10 years ago myself. And I want to walk you through the differences between a contested and an uncontested divorce here in Arkansas. Now, an uncontested divorce occurs when both spouses mutually agree on all the major issues, which include division of marital assets. It also includes child custody and visitation, and it includes support, both child and spousal support, which is sometimes referred to as alimony. Now, in this scenario, the couple, they collaborate together to reach a settlement without the court intervention, and this approach offers several advantages. Time savings. Uncontested divorces typically proceed much quicker through the legal system, and without those disputes requiring court hearings, the process can conclude in a matter of months, depending on the court schedule and any mandatory waiting periods. Savings. By avoiding the prolonged legal battles and court fees, couples can reduce significantly the amount of expense that they pay. Now, you may still need legal representation, but the overall costs are usually much lower in an uncontested divorce than versus a contested divorce. And emotions. Amicable resolutions can lessen the emotional strain and stress on both parties and the children, which provides a more positive environment for post-divorce relationships. Let us help you here at Big Rock Legacy Law Group and be a support. Give us a call today and we can get started. Now, in contrast, a contested divorce arises when the spouses just cannot agree on one or more critical issues. These disagreements necessitate court intervention where a judge will make determinations on behalf of the couple. Now, the key components of a contested divorce include time. It extends it out. Resolving the disputes through the court system can be time consuming. Contested divorces may take up to a year or more to finalize. There could be multiple hearings, discovery, and even a trial. The costs go up. The prolonged nature of contested divorce lead to higher legal fees, court costs. Both of the spouses incur significant expenses, especially if it goes to trial. And there's also that emotional toil. In this adversarial process, stress is high, conflict is high, and the potential for mental and physical well-being for the children can be detrimental, and for the spouses. So the distinction between the contested and uncontested divorces, they follow the general principles that I outlined above. But there are also essential state-specific regulations that you need to be aware of. In Arkansas, at least one spouse has to be a resident of Arkansas for a minimum of 60 days before filing for divorce. Arkansas also requires a 30-day waiting period from the time you file the divorce before it can be finalized, even in uncontested divorces. Now, there are situations where there could be no-fault divorces, or what they call maybe irreconcilable differences. And Arkansas also recognizes fault-based divorces, such as adultery and cruelty. And allegations of these faults can complicate the process and may influence the court's decision on alimony and property distribution, as well as child support. So when you are considering a divorce, you have to determine whether you are looking at a contested or uncontested divorce, because each marriage situation is unique. Those uncontested divorces are suited for couples who can communicate effectively and are willing to compromise. This, of course, is the ideal path for both parties to have a swift, cost-effective resolution to the end of their marriage if they can agree on those major issues. Those contested divorces, they could be necessary when significant disagreements exist, there's tension, and there's situations that involve abuse or manipulation, or there's an imbalance of power or money. In these cases, court intervention ensures a fair and just outcome. So when you understand the differences between contested and uncontested divorces here in Arkansas, it gives you more opportunity to take control of your destiny during these challenging periods. While uncontested divorces offer the time and cost and reduce the conflict, they do require communication and mutual agreement. Contested divorces, they may be more demanding, but they also provide more of a structure and they resolve those deep-seated issues and disputes. So if you know anyone or if you are considering a divorce, consult with us today here at Big Rock Legacy Law Group and let us help you navigate this process. We can give you a personalized structure to ensure that your rights and interests are protected throughout the entire process. It's a lot to consider. Give us a call today. Let us help you and guide you with the support that you need to go through this difficult time.